Hello YouTubers, so my name is Augusta Boni, your real estate consultant based here in Lagos, and today I'm going to be showing you this finished 5-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Chevron, and it's got all the whole smart features you need to live a comfortable and luxurious life in a serene environment, secured estate, and yes, we have a swimming pool right here and an 8 solar panel for each unit. So come along with me, let me show you what we've got here. Wow, what a beautiful, are you seeing your convenience? This is what you're getting right here in this building. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also share. You can contact me on the number displayed on your screen to bring you here for site inspection and show you around this estate. Let's close this deal.